In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Authy. If you find yourself unable to access your Authy account, don't worry. Authy provides a recovery process to help you out. To begin, navigate to the Authy account recovery page. Simply type in authy.com/phones/reset into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see a field where you need to input the phone number associated with your Authy account. This is a crucial step because it verifies your ownership of the account. After entering your phone number, you'll need to complete a few verification steps. These steps are designed to ensure that you are the rightful owner of the account. It's important to follow each instruction carefully. This verification process is vital for maintaining the security of your account. Once you've successfully completed the verification steps, go ahead and submit your recovery request. At this point, you've done your part. Now it's time to wait for Authy to review your request. This process typically takes about 24 hours or more. The waiting period is in place for security reasons to protect your account from unauthorized access. Let's talk about what happens after your account reset is successful. Once Authy completes the reset, any existing installations of Authy on your old devices will stop working. This is crucial because it prevents unauthorized access to your account. With your account reset, you can now install Authy on a new device. When you do this, you'll have the opportunity to restore your backed up accounts. It's important to note that any two-factor authentication tokens that were not backed up may be lost. This is why regular backups are essential for account security. Now, if you happen to forget your Authy backup password, there's something important you should know. Authy cannot recover your backup password because they don't store it on their servers. However, if you still have access to an existing Authy device, you can change the backup password from within the app. This step is crucial if you want to ensure you can still access your accounts in the future. In the event that your phone number has changed, there's a different process you need to follow. Instead of going through a full reset, you should use Authy's phone number change process. To do this, visit authy.com/phones/change. Phone number changes typically take several days to process. This delay is also in place for security reasons, ensuring that your account remains safe from unauthorized changes. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your Authy account and regain access. Remember, security is key when it comes to managing your accounts. Regular backups and updated information are your best allies in keeping everything secure. Thank you for watching today's video on how to reset Authy. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need it. Until next time, stay safe and secure with your accounts.